Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another video. And if you saw my last video of my Shein press-on nail haul, you know Shein messed up my order and sent me this 3-drawer organizer instead of a pack of press-on nails, which actually turned out to be something that I needed. Look how messy and unorganized my nail table is, y'all. This actually came in handy because stuff is just everywhere, and I've had my press-on nails in some baskets that I got from Dollar Tree, and it's just not aesthetically pleasing. So first I'm gonna start by putting my press-on nails in the drawers. And how cute are these nails, by the way? These are my newest press-on nails that I got in my most recent Shein press-on nail haul. If you missed the Shein press-on nail haul video, make sure you go check it out. It'll give you a little more insight as to how I got this drawer from Shein. I'll give you a little insight. Long story short, I was missing a pack of press-on nails from my package, and instead of me receiving the nails, I received this storage drawer. So I'm assuming because they didn't ship my nails, they compensated and made up for it by sending me this storage drawer, which actually turned out to be a good thing because the nails that were missing from my package weren't that cute. You know how you think something is cute at first, but then if you look at it too long, it starts to turn not so cute? Yeah, that's how I was feeling about those nails. So this drawer was definitely a blessing in disguise, which I might just order another one of these drawers because this is not even half of the press-on nails that I have. So the drawers are full, and now I am going to start putting my UV LED mini lamps at the top. I felt like that space right there was perfect for those, and I'm putting the plugs that go with them there as well. I always have so many files left behind from so many packs of press-on nails, so I'm gonna use one of those squares for those. This is the basket that everything that I just put in the drawer came out of, and now I'm going to put my nail glue there along with my cuticle oil, and then I'm also gonna use that middle section for my poly gel and like my thicker gel glues. So that was a good space for those. And then I have so many gel remover pads, so those fit perfectly there. And then I have so many nail clippers. I don't know, they just accumulate over time, so we're just gonna put those in that corner square right there. And since I cleared that first basket, I am now going to use that basket to store my Q-tips and my nail decorative stuff. I have so much like nail bling in different colors and stones and gold ones and silver ones and colorful rhinestones and things like that, which I do plan to do more videos of me applying my own nails and decorating them. So more videos like that will be coming soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna put all of the nail decorative stuff in that basket along with my acetone and my nail polish remover, my nail cutters. Of course, my nail drill can go in there as well, and then my nail drill bits are gonna go in there. And now that that basket is full, I'm just gonna slide it over into this corner over here, and then I'm gonna slide my nail drawer right next to it, and boom, that's looking good already. So now it's time to get into these gel polishes and organize those as well. I also have this Model 1's poly gel kit, and then I have this quick dry dip powder kit that I was gifted from my neighbor Kate. Hey Kate, I hope you're watching this video. Shout out to Kate. So yeah, I'm gonna leave those kits where they are and just sit the gel polishes on top of them since they're already in clear organizer trays that I got from Dollar Tree. Those trays hold my nail polishes so well, and it just makes them look nice and neat instead of them just sitting out all over the place. So this is like a random box of tools, like nail tools and stuff. I'm gonna keep that and just sit it on top of that other box. And those are my nail holders that I got from Temu. And these are nail art foils for decorating your nails with. I'm just gonna sit that on top of the toolbox. And now it's time to clean this mirror. So I got my Windex and I'm just spraying it down, and I'm using paper towels to wipe it down with. I done knocked one of my flowers off of my mirror. I put those flowers on my mirror myself. In 2020 during the pandemic, I was doing all type of crafty stuff. I went to Big Lots and got me a mirror, went to 99-cent store, bought me some plastic flowers and hot glued them all around my mirror so that I could have a really cute flower mirror in my room. So now I am going to remove this whiteboard that I always have on top of my table while I'm doing my nail tutorials, because I do like a white background so you guys can see what I'm doing good. But it was dirty and it was time to just remove it from the table, and I'm gonna go buy me a new one. But yeah, this is how the table looks without the whiteboard on the top. And you can see all the nail polish that done dried up on the table and everything, but it still needs to be cleaned. So I got my Ajax and I just put some on a paper towel, and I'm gonna wipe my table down. I know I should be using gloves, but don't judge me, okay? And I probably should have removed everything off the table first before I wiped it, but since I didn't and I already had everything in the place that I wanted it to be in, I'm just gonna wipe the part that is visible, and I'll wipe the other part later. But look how good it's looking, y'all. It looks really nice and clean. Even the mirror looks good and clean. And this is the finished product of me organizing my nail space, and it looks so good. It looked like a totally different table compared to how it was looking before. Let me just put in a before video so you guys can see how bad it was looking before. So this is how everything was looking before, very junky and unorganized, and this is how everything looks now. Everything looks so much better. Everything looks nice and clean and organized, and I can breathe. So me receiving that storage drawer in error from Shein was actually an eye-opener and helped me to get my space together. Everything happens for a reason. So I received that gift to help me to help myself. So thank you, Shein. I do not have a link to that little drawer organizer because, like I said, I wasn't even expecting it. I was expecting my press-on nails. But when I find the link, I'll definitely link it in the description of this video. And I'm definitely going to use it to organize the rest of my press-on nails. Even in this basket, this is not the end of the nails. So I'm probably going to need like 2 more of those drawers. So as you guys can see, pink is one of my favorite colors, and if you can see in the mirror, I have a pink chair that matches the pink flowers around my mirror. So I have a pink theme going on. Drop a comment and let me know if you guys like the theme that I have going on with my table, and if you like how I organized it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys loved this video as much as I loved doing it, and I hope this video inspires somebody to declutter and clear their space. A clear space makes a clear mind. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.